Hey y'all, here's a step-by-step tutorial to fix a smartphone battery that drains quickly even when you're not using it. This issue is usually caused by background apps, misbehaving services, or settings that, well, just keep on consuming power even when your phone's in idle mode. Oh, and before we get started, make sure your phone is fully updated, both the OS and your apps. Outdated software can really cause unnecessary battery drain. Alright, now go to Settings and then tap on Battery, or sometimes it's called Battery and Device Care. Next, tap Battery Usage or maybe View Detailed Usage, depending on your phone. Look for apps or services using a high percentage of battery, especially when you're not actively using them. Apps like Facebook, Instagram, or Google Play services, they often show high idle drain, so keep an eye out for those. So, once you've identified the apps using background data or battery, either uninstall the ones you don't really need, or you can go to Settings, then Apps, pick the app, and tap Battery. From there, select Restricted or Don't Allow Background Activity. This will help cut down on that sneaky battery drain. And finally, disable these if you're not actively using them: Wi-Fi Bluetooth location, also known as GPS, NFC, and mobile data if you're already connected to Wi-Fi. Just head over to Quick Settings and toggle them off. It's really that simple, y'all. Alright, so first things first, go to Settings, then tap on Battery. From there, turn on Battery Saver or Power Saving mode. And hey, if you want, you can set it to auto-enable when your battery drops to like 20% or 30%. Super handy. Now for Android users, head over to Settings, then Battery, and tap on Battery Usage, followed by App Battery Usage. Here you can set unused or less important apps to optimized or even restricted. For iPhone folks, just go to Settings General and then Background App Refresh. Disable it for any apps you really don't need refreshing in the background. Next up, turn off AOD or Always On Display if your phone has that feature. Also, it's a good idea to remove any unused widgets from your home screen, like weather, news, or social feeds you don't really check. That way, you'll save even more battery. So, Google Play services is a common culprit. Head on over to Settings, then Battery Usage, and see if it's consuming more than about 5%. If it is, go ahead and clear its cache by tapping Settings, Apps, Google Play Services, Storage, and then Clear Cache. Honestly, a simple restart once a day or, every few days really helps stop those rogue processes or memory leaks from slowing things down. If your phone shuts off early or, the percentage just jumps around, let the phone drain all the way down to 0%. Then fully charge it up to 100% without any interruptions. Doing this once or twice can help recalibrate the battery meter. If nothing else works, go ahead and back up your data. Then, head over to Settings, System, Reset, and tap on Factory Data Reset. After that, set up the phone again and, monitor the battery behavior before reinstalling a bunch of apps. Try using light versions of your apps like Facebook Lite or Messenger Lite. Also, turn off auto-sync for your emails and cloud services. It's best to avoid live wallpapers or animated themes too. And keep your screen brightness on auto, or if you prefer, set it manually to around 30 to 40%. If you're still having issues after all this, it might mean the battery is physically degraded. You can check the battery health with a diagnostic app, or just take it to a service center for a battery replacement. Would you like some help identifying a specific app or feature that might be causing the drain?